Hey, what's going on, guys? James Bill here, and I'm coming to you today to speak to you about attraction marketing. I had someone reach out to me this morning in a message, and I didn't even know the person, and they just spammed my inbox with their offer. And I didn't get angry with him or anything. I basically just, commented back to him, asked him how long had he been marketing, and he answered back and told me it was he had just joined the opportunity, and I just commented, with laughter, and said, "Yes, I can tell." Uh, and I told him, "You don't need to be out there pitching your business to everyone you come across like that. You want people to ask you about your offer." And I asked him, did he know how to use attraction marketing? And he replied, "What is that?" Guys, you have to learn attraction marketing. This is basically presenting your content on throughout social media and letting people, be aware of what you're doing. And once they started reaching out to you, raising their hand, showing interest, that's when you begin to engage with them. But anyway, if you'd like to know more about attraction marketing, go ahead and click on the link below, guys, and I'll see you on the other side.